Have you ever wondered what makes you, you, or why a rose is a rose and not a daisy? Well, it all comes down to a remarkable molecule known as DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid if we're being formal. This complex molecule holds the blueprint of life, defining everything from the color of your eyes to your susceptibility to certain diseases. Imagine a tiny architect residing within each cell of your body, meticulously crafting instructions for every single trait that makes you unique. That's DNA for you. It's not just about personal traits, though. DNA is the cornerstone of numerous fields. It's vital for medical science, helping us understand and treat diseases. It's key in forensics, assisting in crime scene investigations. It even aids historians in piecing together our ancestral roots. The discovery of DNA, the master code of life, was not a simple task. It took centuries of scientific effort. The story of DNA begins in the 19th century with the Swiss chemist Friedrich Miescher. Miescher, in the year 1869, was the first to identify what he called nuclein in the nuclei of cells. This substance, later renamed deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA, was intriguing, but its significance was not yet understood. Fast forward to the early 20th century, where the baton was passed to Phoebus Levene, an American biochemist with a curious mind. Levene identified the primary components of the DNA molecule: a sugar, a phosphate group, and 4 types of nitrogenous bases. However, the exact structure and function of DNA remained elusive. Then, in the 1940s, Oswald Avery took center stage. Avery, a Canadian-American physician and medical researcher, made a groundbreaking discovery. He demonstrated that DNA, not protein, was the genetic material, the blueprint of life. This was a pivotal moment in science, yet the mystery of DNA's structure was still unsolved. Enter the 1950s, a decade that would forever change our understanding of life. 2 scientists, James Watson, an American biologist, and Francis Crick, a British physicist, joined forces. Using data from other researchers, including the crucial X-ray diffraction images taken by Rosalind Franklin, they proposed a daring model: the double helix. The double helix, a twisted ladder structure, elegantly explained how DNA could carry information and how it could be copied. Watson and Crick's discovery was a scientific revolution. It paved the way for modern genetics, biotechnology, and our current understanding of heredity and evolution. The discovery of DNA's structure was a turning point in the history of science. It opened the door to a new world of understanding about how life works. So what have we learned about DNA? We've journeyed from the mystery of life to the discovery of DNA, unearthing the complexities of this fascinating molecule. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the master blueprint of life, carrying the genetic instructions used in the development, functioning, and reproduction of all known organisms and many viruses. It's the cornerstone of life, determining our characteristics, our traits, and even our vulnerabilities to certain diseases. The discovery of the DNA structure by James Watson and Francis Crick in the early 1950s not only unraveled the secret code of life, but also revolutionized many fields of science. From medicine to forensics, from agriculture to anthropology, understanding DNA opened up new realms of possibilities, propelling us into an era of genetic engineering and personalized medicine. The discovery of DNA was not just about understanding what makes us who we are. It was about unlocking the secrets of life itself.